Welcome to this new section, part 25. In each part, we are discussing 10 questions related to piping engineering, which are generally asked in interviews. So let us see what are these 10 questions which we are going to cover in this part. What is piping engineering? How is it related to art and science? Is it art or science? What is the scope of piping engineering? What are the major areas which are available in piping engineering? What is piping layout? Okay, what are the major expectation from piping engineering department? What are the major documents required to develop a piping layout? What is stress analysis? Why it is required? What are the major documents which are required by stress to start the stress analysis? At what stage they can start their analysis? What is piping material discipline? Why it is required? What does they do? Which is the most important document produced by piping material group? So these are the basic questions which every piping engineer must be aware of. Any of the interviewer can ask such question during the interview. So all these questions shall be answered in detail in answer section. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics in we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute Funda series, 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.